Hello lockpickers and happy Stock Lock Sunday. This is kind of like a little update video. I've now changed my job, which was seriously getting me down, and yeah, now working with a real great bunch of guys and girls, still in catering, and yeah, actually having a whale of a time and enjoying going to work, so that's a bonus. So hopefully my health is going to start getting better, and especially my mental health. That's been suffering a bit because of this job, but my new job, awesome, makes me feel wonderful. And yeah, while I was settling in the other day, one of the lads said to me, "What do you do in your spare time?" So I said, well, I like picking locks. He goes, "My dad does that." I was like, "What?" Because yeah, my dad's a locksmith. I was like, well, does he actually have any spare locks when he's like snapping them and that? Anyway, today at work, he goes, "I brought you a few. If this is what you're after, I might be able to sort you some more." So let's see what goodies we've brought. So it's a nice. I don't expect these to be working brilliantly if they just come out of a. No, it's starting to get in. So our key's worn down a bit, or the pins have. That did start to turn in my hand. Right, it's proper gunked up. Alright, come on, focus. So, got some bitting on there that I could cut down and make a nice little challenge lock out of. And the other half can go out into the community, cut them down. So yeah, nice little CES. So it works nicely. What we got here? Come on. Focus. Another CES. In the same little bag. So no name. And Maxis. Now I picked one of these a while ago, and for a standard lock, I had some real cool pins in. That works nicely. So yeah, I got some highs there, nearly zero cut on that. So yeah, the guy who gave me this is Gary Young's Maintenance. He's in Norfolk, and I'll leave his name and maybe his contact number in the description below. So if you're in the Norfolk area and you need any like home maintenance and your lock sorting out, you can always give him a call. So thanks buddy, cheers for sending us them, and yeah, thanks to your son for making me feel welcome at work. While I've got you guys here, somebody said the other day that they wanted to have a close-up look on the pick that was on the magic pick video with the brass inlay, so copper. Right, let's see. So yeah, that was the bit. I ain't really finished with it. I tend to get sidetracked and then go off and try and do something else. But yeah, that's one of my creations on the go, and got another nice little. That's how my deep hook's coming along. So I'm quite happy with the grain. Come on. Yeah, that's better. The grain on that, and the pins. I don't know if it's going to focus that close, but I actually used the steel when I snapped some drill bits. So I cut them down and used those as the pins. Only downside is being such a hard steel, it was quite a bugger to file down. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how some of these are starting to turn out now. But well, it's Stock Lock Sunday. Let's do a stock lock, shall we? Abus titanium 5450. If I get this open, and then I'm going to go and treat myself to a nice can of beer, I think. Let's see if we can use the brass. See if we can get this open. Yeah, nice and easy this one. Let's see if that another go. I don't even think there was any pins in that. Yeah, I don't think there's any security pins in that one. If they are, they're not working. Anyway, I'm definitely a lot more happy and really enjoying myself where I am. So yeah, hopefully I'll be producing more videos, a bit more chipper. And yeah, one more thing, I've actually had to go at making a like worm and sort of different type of handle on that one. But yeah, anyway, cheers for your support, everyone, and yeah, don't forget, thanks Gary Young's Maintenance for the locks. So I'll be whipping these up and keeping a few for making challenge locks and blasting the rest out into the community at some point. Anyway, cheers for watching, happy Stock Lock Sunday, and see you again soon. Bye bye.